If you use OneDrive a lot, learning how to add file shortcuts can save you a ton of time. Instead of digging through folders every time you need the same document, photo, or file, you can create a shortcut and place it somewhere easier to reach. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to add file shortcuts in OneDrive, and I'll keep it beginner-friendly from start to finish. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open File Explorer on your Windows computer. You can do that by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by searching for File Explorer in the Start menu. Once File Explorer opens, look for your Microsoft OneDrive folder. This is the folder where your OneDrive files are stored and synced on your computer. Now open your OneDrive folder and find the file or folder that you want to create a shortcut for. It could be a document you use often, a project folder, or any item you want to access faster. Once you've found it, right-click on that file or folder to open the context menu. This menu gives you several options for managing the item. Next, scroll down through the options and look for Create Shortcut or simply Shortcut, depending on your version of Windows. Click that option and Windows will automatically create a shortcut for the file or folder. This shortcut acts like a quick link so you can open the original item without having to search for it again. In many cases, the shortcut will appear inside the same OneDrive folder right away. That makes it easy to confirm that it was created successfully. From there, you can leave it where it is, or you can move the shortcut somewhere more convenient. For example, you might want to place it in another folder, on your desktop, or in a location you check often. That's one of the biggest benefits of using shortcuts in OneDrive. You're not duplicating the original file and you're not changing the actual content. You're simply creating an easier path to access it. So if you work with the same files every day, this can really speed up your workflow and keep things organized. Another helpful tip is to think about which files deserve shortcuts. For example, if you have a shared team folder, an important report, or a file you open every morning, a shortcut can make your routine much smoother. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to stay productive. Once you're done, you can test the shortcut by double-clicking it to make sure it opens the correct file or folder. If it works, you're all set. If you want, you can repeat the same process for any other files or folders you use often, and that's how you add file shortcuts in OneDrive. It's quick, simple, and a great way to keep your most important files within easy reach. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful OneDrive guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.